Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about the conditional operator. So, what is that conditional operator? An operator that operates on three operands is called a ternary operator. So, which are all the ternary operators are? One is the question mark and the other one is colon. So, syntax is, suppose if you have an expression 1 and it questions expression 2. And then you have the expression 3. So where expression 1 is an expression evaluated to true or false. If expression is evaluated to true, if the expression 1 is evaluated to true, then expression 2 is executed. If expression 2 is evaluated to false, so expression 3 is executed. So for example, you can see here the maximum value of A is greater than B, question mark, A colon. Then otherwise the false, then it is executed for false. So it is very clear from this figure, when A is greater than B is the question mark. If that is true, then A is executed for maximum. If it becomes false, then B is executed to the maximum. That is what the here. Whenever the condition A is greater than B is true, then A is executed. The value of A is assigned to the maximum. Otherwise, the value of B is assigned to the maximum value. It's conditional. It invariably has to be the B because we have only two variables. If one of the numbers is true, then the other one has to be a false one. So that is the meaning of this. So first we are going to take a very simple program where include stdio.h and conio.h, and we of course we have main, and these are all CLR, SCR. Then int, you have two variables, so A and B are the two variables. Of course, I want to get which is the bigger value. That bigger value I need to print. So big is the another variable. So there you are going to have an integer. So printf, what we want to print? So first we want to enter the values of A and B. So obviously read those variables. There is %d, ampersand A and B. So because the value of A and B, which is the integer, so the format specifiers are %d and %d for integer. And these are the addresses. So if B equals A is greater than B, if it is true, it executes A, else B. So printf big is equal to %d\n is big. So gets a function. So what will going to be the output? Enter the value of A and B. If I enter the value of A as 10 and B as 20, so then what happens? It checks the value of A is greater than B. In this case, is 10 is greater than 20? No. So it false. So it prints the value of big, which is B. So 20. Similarly, enter the value of A and B. Now we are going to take 25 and 10. Then is 25 is greater than 10? Yes. So therefore, it prints the value of A because it is satisfying the condition. So it becomes true. So the value of A will going to be the big value. So big will be equal to A. So big will be equal to the value of A is 25. So that is how it will going to be executed. So now, how to know about this? You will by writing a simple program. So to do that, so first we will go for compiler, turbo C. So then we will create the new file. So we have include stdio.h, then include conio.h, then void main, then open, then CLR SCR, then we have the conditional operators. So here we have int, A, B and big. So now we are going to printf enter the value of A and B \n, or we'll just Type this and colon. Okay, now we are going to have this. So we are going to read those two values. So %d, ampersand A and ampersand B. Once you read that, then we will going to give the condition if big is equal to A question mark, A is greater than B question mark, A is greater than B question mark. So then you will going to have A colon. If it is true, it becomes A colon. Then if it is false, B. Enter. Then printf %d big equals %d \n, or which will be, of course, %n, which will be big. So the value of big we have given this like this, so big. So then get ch function and then close it. So when you are running the compiler, so you can see clear screen, enter the values of A and B, read those values. What is the value of A? I will take A as 10 and the value of B as 20. Then now it starts comparing. Once you are comparing, is 10 is greater than 20? No. So it will print the value of B. So what is the value of B as big one? The B value is 20. So it will print the big value as 20. So if you are then if the condition, now we will go to the next one. So again we are recompiling, enter the value of A as 25, then 10, enter. Then it compares now. So 25 is greater than 10, yes. So it will print the value of A as big, so big value will be equal to 25. So that is how, once the condition, for the first condition the value becomes false, but it prints the value of big as the value of B, and since the condition is true, the big value of A, whatever we have given, is 25, so it compares and prints that value. So this is how you will be able to see the conditional operators, how it will going to function. So in the next video we will going to talk about the bitwise operators. Thank you.